Today I am at Tom Hartley Jr. I'm here to review my dream car and my favourite hypercar, which is the £2 million Bugatti Chiron. At the back of the car you get a spoiler which also acts as an active air brake. It's got an LED light bar going across the back. It's got a rear carbon fibre diffuser with aero-active flaps, and it's got full exhaust, which sound awesome. The body of the car is exposed in blue carbon fibre with complemented French racing rear. It's got LED matrix headlights, a front splitter with massive air intakes, and it's got a massive front grille. The car has got blue Atlantic Character alloy wheels with rear brake calipers, and also it's got a C shape in the door seal and rear side air intakes for the cooling for the engine. The wing mirrors are in French racing blue, but they've got carbon fibre bits on them as well, and it's got carbon fibre side skirts. Let's have a look at the interior, and you get Terre door or leather with carbon fibre interior trim, quilted sport seats and colour-coded seat belts. You also get 2 digital driver displays which tell you all the information about the car. Also on the steering wheel you get different toggles and switches. Plus you get different driving modes on the selector. You also get digital driver displays on the center console which tells you your top speed and how much horsepower you have used. And also in the door seal you've got 3 key slots. The last one is so you can put the car in the full 200 mile an hour mode. It's got an 8 litre W16 engine that produces 1,500 brake horsepower. The top speed is a whopping 261 miles per hour, and it goes to 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds. And also it's got the engine cover, because it gets so warm, there's got 4 radiators, so that's why they left it open. Before I end the video, I'd like to say thank you to Tom Hartley Jr. and his team, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called The Chiron Review, and also follow me on Instagram. It's called TSR UK.